What is up, guys? It's a beautiful morning. Great day to be alive. Thankful for that. But today we are going to Detailground in Orlando. We're going to get a paint correction done on my front bumper and then have a PPF applied. I just pretty much want this for peace of mind, you know, going on those road trips on the highway. So we'll have to worry about rock chips as much. Oh, we got a fast boy. Fast boy. I like those rims though. Trying to keep my distance so I don't get any rock chips on my way there. It's pretty tough when there's all this construction going on though. Praying we don't get any. So we're going to get paint protection film on the front bumper, and the only spots I really have are right here, and then right here there's some little scratch, but I don't really care. We're just going to go ahead and do it.
It's one piece.
Mm-hmm.
So there's one here. So it's one piece for the top, and then another piece here. So you have a seam here.
Oh, okay.
It's very difficult to see. Another one for this section here. But they are all in places that is more difficult to see.
Right.
Here.
Yeah.
And there is one here in the middle.
One there.
Yeah. But also we put the PPF very close, so to make it less visible possible.
Yeah, that would be ideal. So I don't want like there to be a little gap in between the seam, and it's like super noticeable.
Yeah. No, but together both. So.
Cool.
Yeah. And then headlights and floorlights. With Stek and Stek. Both are the same warranty, 10 years warranty, the same clarity. They are pretty much the same kind of quality.
Okay.
It's just preference. There are clients that already had one installed and prefer that one, or clients that saw some review on the internet and prefer the other one.
Right.
But both are the best in the market today.
Yeah, I've definitely heard of Dyno Stek before. And Suntek, but yeah, I'm not really sure. Whatever.
Alright. Yeah, so we can install the Stek Dyno shoe.
Yeah, let's do that.
It's a carbon fiber part that we apply the PPF. It's for the Audi R8.
Woof. Good lord. There's a big side skirt extension.
Yeah.
Wow. This is mechanical decontamination. prepping for the polishing.
Exactly.
And now you're gonna polish the headlights too?
No,
Not
the headlights.
not necessary.
Yeah, it's not necessary. They're looking good.
Yeah, pretty new. It's one of the main features of why I wanted this car. The LED, like the LCI lights, I guess.
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah. You think that little paint chip or little paint will come off?
Yeah, I saw that. Looks like some overspray.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
It might
that you
with
can
the
remove.
polish.
Yeah. It's gone.
There we go. Let's see if we can remove this little spot of paint. Looks like someone like dabbed a marker there or something. It's not cool, man. Just like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just did this upper right portion. It looks so good. It'd be kind of hard to pick up on camera, but there's so much more gloss. Oh yeah. Well needed. How long does the PPF machine take to print out all
To do the
the
cuts?
sections? Yeah.
Less than 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, that's quick.
Yeah, it's fast. Then takes much more time to we remove all the parts that will not be applying, and this takes a little more time because it's difficult. You see, after cut, it's difficult to see where it's cutted. So you need to inspect and remove what you will not use.
Right. Yeah, it's a bit intricate.
Let's scratch here as well.
Oh no. That's what we like to hear. Awesome. And how long should the PPF last? Like, should last like full 10 years or depending on?
Yeah, it's like the ceramic coating. It will depend how you will maintain.
Yeah.
So it can last more than 10 years or much less.
Sure.
For example, we have clients that apply the PPF to go to track days and rallies. So after 2 years, they will be good, but they will not be looking so nice. You will see a lot of marks from the rock chips and rubbers from the track. So, but then you can remove and replace, and the paint will be brand new.
Right.
That's the idea. Something to be easy to apply, easy to replace. And
Or just wiping away the oils from the polishing.
yeah, exactly. It's an alcohol solution to remove any oil and
Okay. What type of rag is that? That looks like a soft rag.
Yeah, this is a sweat towel.
Oh, suede.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because the regular microfiber towels maybe can leave some lints
Oh,
on the
right.
pant. Yeah. So this one's better.
Not leaving any fibers behind.
Yeah.
So they did give me the option to do like a darker tint on my headlights. Kind of a tough decision for me. I think I'm just gonna stick with the clear for now. And then down the line, once I get some more like carbon mods and stuff like that, we'll see if I wanna switch it out to like a darker tint. But just gonna go with clear for now. Keep it kind of OEM. These guys are gonna do a really good job. Sheesh. Lighting here is just epic. Cosmos pulling up. Just got that Active Auto Works mid pipe. Oh,
I need to rev it. You want to rev?
maybe a little bit. Good Lord.
That's the first time I revved it out like that.
Really? That one almost blew my ears out.
It's super quiet when you're in the cabin.
Really?
You can't tell. Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. Active Auto Works mid pipe.
Yep. I gotta go get it adjusted though because it's hitting the brace.
Yeah, it's making noise.
If I go over a hard bump, it like hits the stupid brace. Active normally sends out this like foam piece that you're supposed to brace the pipe with when you're screwing it in.
Mm-hmm.
So we're tightening it down so it doesn't like touch.
Right.
I didn't get that.
Yeah, dang.
So, needless to say.
On the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's kind of like how it was when I was reinstalling my stock downpipe.
Yeah.
Like there's a brace on it that you take out when you put in an aftermarket one, and we tried to go about it like not putting the brace back in, and when we did that it was like literally touch up against the tranny mount or whatever,
Yeah.
and it was making this rattle noise, so my brother had to like go in and redo the whole thing.
When you're driving though, the noise is different than a free rev. So
Yeah.
when you're like driving and you do an overrun, dude,
How's
it's
it going?
sick.
Yeah, that downshift.
Yeah.
I like that
Nice
wrap.
one.
Oh, thanks.
I like that wrap, man.
Oh, thank you.
What color is it?
It's Avery satin metallic energetic yellow.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, our friend has like the satin psychedelic wrap.
Okay.
Looks
Yeah,
pretty
yeah.
similar, but
Mhm.
different color scheme.
Yeah. Sometimes it'll look chrome. Sometimes it'll.
Yeah, I can
It's
tell
yellow,
turning
it's
orange.
orange.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
turning orange and then now it's yellow.
Right. You get orange up there, yellow down here.
That's dope.
It's just a little dirty.
Who wrapped it?
I did.
Oh, wow, okay.
Thanks, self wrap.
Yeah. Yeah. It's what we do.
Oh, okay.
Wrap.
kind of hard to tell on camera, but you can see we have the film right here already applied. Looks really good. Looks like it's not even on there. And this is the Dyno Stek, so I highly recommend this film. On the home stretch, and the hardest part, getting this to fit. Alright, the job is complete. Almost. Gotta wait like 30-40 minutes just so we can get these edges completely folded under. Just gotta wait for it to dry out a little bit more. But this is really good paint protection film. Can't even tell it's in the car. Looks like paint to me. Yeah, and once again, this is the Dyno Stek paint protection film. See, like right here is where the PPF meets, and you can barely see a line. Like, you have to pretty much put your face up to it to see that there's a line there. And then, of course, there's a line right here where it meets, but that's okay. Not very noticeable at all, especially from back here. So overall, super stoked on this, and we have it protected for future drives. Alright guys, so the job is done. We got the car all PPF'd, just the front bumper. That's mainly the part that gets rock chips, you know, when you're driving down the highway and stuff. So glad I got that taken care of. These guys over here at Detailground of Orlando, they did a really good job. Really took their time and make sure it was done right. So I'll leave their information in the description below. I highly recommend them for PPF, ceramic coating, tints, anything like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.